So today's topic is how to draw multiple line and single line. So here I just create a power distribution page and I go for the tab schematic. Here is a schematic tab and I click for draw multiple wire. So here I just start from this snap point and directly I got 4 wires. I stop here, enter. Suppose I want only another type of pattern wire, so I just go here. You see a space between lines 0.25. Suppose I want to select another pattern like N, L, L1, L2, L3, this pattern all in phase red. And suppose I want to another line like 12 volt, like 24 volt, that we check in single line. So here suppose I want to click this line type N, L1, L2, L3 and 3 phase with real colors and select. So here you got another type of pattern. So here you see green line hidden. Okay. So suppose your ortho on off and then you try, then you got that type of result. That means ortho, when you off your ortho, you can randomly select your log wires. Suppose any device you want that type of random wire, so you click this button here, ortho. Okay, so this type of we are used in starting of project for using this type of multiple wire pattern. Same we need single wire, that just so this here. Then go for draw single tab here. For example, from this to this, such a type of, okay, or else we go like here and then select like 24 VDC and select this, that type of. We check ortho also here. Okay, also we can check, go for here and another type of like group 0 electrical. In this group 1 hydraulic, in hydraulic there are so many type, and pneumatic there are so many type. Okay, that type of different voltage, we select this wire, such a pattern. Okay, thank you.